Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure your location services and mobile data or Wi-Fi are turned on. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Navigation Settings. Scroll down to the Sound and Voice section and make sure voice guidance is turned on. You can also adjust the volume level and choose your preferred voice language here. After that, go back and start a route to any destination. Once navigation begins, tap the speaker icon on the screen and make sure it's not muted. And that's it. You can easily enable voice navigation in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.